Food and Nutrition, Unit 1. Our food comes from plants or animals, but we can also classify food into these groups: fruit and vegetables, bread and cereals, milk and dairy, meat and fish, sugary foods. Can you remember which of these groups is not so good for you? Our bodies need food for health, growth, and energy. It's important to eat 5 fruit and vegetables a day. Nutrients in our food keep us healthy, help us grow, and give us energy. Vitamins are for health. Minerals are good for your health too. An important mineral is calcium, which we need for strong and healthy bones and teeth. Proteins are for growth. Carbohydrates give us energy. Fats give us energy too, but we only need a little of these. Remember that your body also needs water. We need a healthy, balanced diet. A healthy diet means eating food that have nutrients. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. Our digestive system allows our body to get the nutrients it needs from the food we eat. The digestive process starts in the mouth. We chew food with our teeth and mix food with saliva. Our tongue pushes the food around our mouth to a tube called the esophagus. The food travels down the esophagus to the stomach. The stomach is like a mixer. It uses gastric juices to turn the food into a thick liquid. The thick liquid travels to a long tube called the small intestine. The small intestine breaks down the food mixture. The liver and the pancreas send juices to the small intestine so that our body can now absorb the nutrients from the food. Remains of the food that our body can't use go to a wide tube called the large intestine. Here, our body has its last chance to take water from the remains of the food. These remains finally leave our body through the anus. Children have 20 teeth called milk teeth. When we are about 6 years old, our milk teeth start to fall out and our permanent teeth start to grow. Adults have 32 permanent teeth, and these are bigger than milk teeth. We use our teeth to eat food. Different types of teeth do different jobs. Incisors are sharp and cut food. Canines are pointed to tear food. Premolars and molars are flat to chew food. We must look after our teeth to keep them healthy. Brush your teeth with toothpaste, especially after eating sweets. Sugar is bad for your teeth. It's also important to visit your dentist often. You already know that the remains of the food that our body can't use leave our body through the anus. Our body also needs to eliminate other waste, and this is done by our excretory system. Two small organs called kidneys clean the waste from our blood. This waste combines with water to make urine. Urine goes down two tubes called ureters, and it is collected in a bag called the bladder. When our bladder starts to get full, our body tells us that it's time to go to the toilet. Urine then leaves our body through the urethra. Sweat. Our body also eliminates waste through skin. This waste is in the form of a liquid called sweat. We sweat when our body temperature rises. This often happens when doing exercise. Sweat glands. We have sweat glands that produce sweat all over our skin. Sweating cleans waste from our body, and it also helps us to keep cool if we get too hot.